Welcome back, guys. Hope everyone had a great Christmas and a fantastic New Year. We're back for another year. Now this one is a beautiful, easy one. One pot wonder. You're going to love this one. It's called SPEZZATINO or stufato. Depending which one, only depends on the size of the meat. How big you cut it or how small you cut it. Okay, so like I said, it's a beautiful one pot wonder. Very simple, basic ingredients. We'll go through everything and then we'll get stuck into the preparation and straight into the pot. And in a couple of hours, you're gonna have a beautiful dish. Here's our chuck steak. We've got some vegetable stock there. Got some tomato paste, paprika, a few bay leaves, some salt and pepper. We're going to put in some guanciale, or if you've got bacon or speck, whichever one you've got. Some white wine, some good quality extra virgin olive oil. Got some celery, some carrots, potato, and some onion. That's it. Okay, here we go. The meat, I got my butcher to cut it to size for me, so reasonably small. So like I said, it's more the SPEZZATINO size, which is the smaller. If it's larger, like I said, it's pretty much the same dish, but it's just called a different name. It's called stufato, okay? It's essentially a beef stew, okay, but it's more along the lines of the Italian style. All right, so that's done. So I'll show you how coarse we do the veggies. With the carrots, I've already peeled them. Just want to go in half. And then we just quite a coarse chop. Wash them nicely. Again, quite coarse. Half. And lastly, potatoes in half, quarter, then there's our veggies, guanciale. I've taken the rind off, just cut it in half. Nice coarse. Hot on the heat, olive oil. Put in our guanciale. Or bacon. Give that a minute or so. You can put in the celery, onion, carrot. Put the potato in later. Bay leaves. Add some salt at this stage. Paprika. Give this about 5 minutes. Put it on. Still at a reasonably high heat. It's been about 5 minutes. And great. Smelling great. At this point, put in the meat. Salt, some pepper, put in some tomato paste, give it a couple of minutes, the lid on. Spend a couple more minutes. Put in a nice glass of white wine. In go the potatoes. We simmer this for 2 2.5 hours. Lid goes on. Lower the heat and we'll see you in 2 hours. Simple as that, guys. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half. Let's have a look. That looks great. Just tasted for seasoning. It's pretty good. Might just put a little bit more salt. And then we can put the lid on for another half an hour or so, then we'll double check it. Okay, it's been a good 2.5 hours. Okay, that looks perfect. Can serve that up. Okay, let's dish some of this up. Now you can have this with beautiful crusty bread. Or on its own. Sensational. We'll give it a taste. Try this out. Beautiful meat. 2.5 hours, try some meat. Literally melts in the mouth, perfect flavour. Try a potato. Same, nice and tender, perfectly melts in your mouth. Guys, for 2.5 hours, for a cold winter's night is perfect. Nice crusty bread.